Hi. There are three readings this week. The first reading is by Angriston Lavie, and it concerns new evidence on computers and pupil learning. Well, it was new. It's about 8 years old now. But it's an important paper because it's one of the first times that researchers looked at data and asked the question, are we making a difference with all the money that we're spending by putting educational technology in the schools? It's important to keep in mind that the authors are accountants. They're coming at it from a very financially driven perspective, and they're asking the hard-nosed questions that accountants or presumably parents would be asking at home too. So it's keep that in mind. The other article is by Culp, and it's 20 years of educational technology. It's a retrospective that's looking at educational policy. How do computers get put in schools, and what do we expect of them? And it's very interesting from that point of view. The third paper is one laptop per child policy, and it's by Robert Cosma. He's talking about the program that Negroponte started a few years ago. It was originally called the $100 laptop, but it was too expensive to do it with just $100. The price is higher than that. But Negroponte's vision was that every kid would get a laptop, and we're talking in the poorest of countries. And you can see more about what that vision is in the Negroponte TED video. Robert Cosma is the director of Concord, and that's the institution that created Genscope, Biologica, and a number of other programs that have been rather influential. So he's an interesting thinker in his own right, and it's in the reading list because his ideas carry a lot of weight, and we need to be aware of them. On the software side, I've already mentioned the Negroponte video. It's a TED video. It was recorded in 2006. He's a dynamic speaker and a dynamic man. He headed up the Media Lab at MIT. He's worked with all the big people in educational development at MIT, and is the main force behind the One Laptop Per Child project. And then you'll also see a video by Alan Kay, and Alan Kay was a Seymour Papert student many, many years ago, and was involved with the logo project that Seymour Papert developed. And he has taken that to the next level and produced a program called Squeak. But he is also involved with the One Laptop Per Child program. So take a look at that TED video and enjoy. And then also you'll be pointed to the One Laptop Per Child project website. Poke around there and see what you can find out about this project, and we'd like to know what you're thinking, especially in relation to the questions raised in the readings. Is there any evidence that technology makes a difference, and what is going on with policy in the school system? Enjoy.